Hi guys, and welcome back to DIY Ideas. Today I'm going to show you a new scarf here with this really cool puffy wool. You don't need any knitting needles, you don't need any crocheting hooks, you just need your fingers. It has this cute square pattern. And so, yeah, as you can see, the pattern here is very different to what we usually have been doing with this wool. Yeah, this is very interesting and the pattern is really, really cute. And yeah, this is a pattern that also doesn't like fold up. Have fun! Okay, so here we are with our puffy wool, and that's what we will use for this nice pattern. This is yarn that you can use fully without any crocheting hooks or knitting needles. You just need your hands. So yeah, it's really, really easy. You don't need to know, anything prior to this. So this is 100 grams and 9 meters. And with one ball of yarn, you can make, a nice small scarf. With 2 balls of yarn, you can make a normal size scarf. So if you want something bigger, take 2 balls of yarn. If you want something, very large, choose multiple. This is 100% micro polyester, and the color number is the number 2 for this mustard yellow. I'm gonna see here if I can grab the inside of the ball of yarn. Okay, here is the one end, but I would like the other. Let's see where it is. There it is. Okay, so how does this work? With this wool, with this yarn, we have these loops that we kind of just pull through each other. So at first you will count out how many loops you want the width to be. I'm gonna do 9 here, so I'm counting them out. Okay, so this is the width of my scarf. And then, just as long as we have wool. So I'm going to take this thread here. This is my working thread. This is what we're working on. And obviously this is going to get a little bigger now as we continue working with it. So I'm going to take the thread that's connected to the ball of yarn kind of behind where I'm working on. And so I have my 10th loop here, the one that we counted out. And then I will pull it through here from the back through the 9th one. Then I take the next one here again, and I will pull it through again from the back side. And then obviously we have a lot more here, so we will continue. We have the first 2 inside. This is the next one. We will pull this through also from the back. And then we have the first 3 ready. I chose 9 on purpose. So we have always the structure of 3, so we're 3, 3, and 3. So we have the first 3 are ready, and then we have the next 3 loops lined up. So we will put the working thread here to the front, and this time we will take the loop from the front. So this time again from the front, and the next one also from the front. So we have 3 from the back and then 3 from the front. Okay, and with that we are creating, the different pattern, the different look with what we're creating here with the pattern. So if I turn this around, actually this is fully mirrored. Okay, so this is the whole spiel. We have 3 loops left over, and maybe you have already guessed what we're doing with these, but we will go again from the back, from behind, just like we did with the first 3. So we're creating always an alternating pattern here. Okay. Here you can see the structure of the 3s again. So we have 3 from the back, then 3 from the front, and we have this, kind of the horizontal ridge here, and then here from the very beginning, again, the 3 from the back also. So I'm going to do this again for the next row. From this time we will work from left to the right instead of from right to left. So we will not turn anything around like you're used to maybe when you're used to crocheting. So now we're working again from the back. 3 loops from the back. 3 times. Then 3 times from the front. once, twice, and the third time. And then again 3 times from the back. So in theory, this is all super simple, super easy, very manageable pattern, I think. This is the last one. All right, and we're done with row number 2. And yeah, this is what it looks like now. We have these 2 horizontal ridges, and here on the left, they're like vertical ridges. And here also on the 2 sides. Always a structure of 3 loops. Now again, we start from the right to the left, and we start again from behind with the first 3 loops. 3. Okay, done. Now 3 times from the front. 1, 2, 3, and 3 from the back again. 1, 2, and number 3. All right, so we did this for 3 rows now, and because today we're working only with the numbers of 3, we will change something. So this is done here. This is the beginning thread, and now we will change a little something. Okay, so now we will take the outside parts, the left and the right pieces, and we will switch off how we're doing this. So we will start now with pulling it through from the front. Okay, so 3 from the front here. Then the 3 in the middle we will do from the back, and the 3 at the end again from the front. And with that, we're switching up our pattern. And here again. Then we put the thread to the back, and we have 3 from the back. 1, 2, 3. And now we're here at the last 3 of this row. Where did they go? Oh no, I actually missed one here. Obviously that's not a big deal here either, but let's go find the mistake. So here we have 3. These are the 3. Then we went from the front, then here we will do it from the back. So obviously you guys can see that I also make mistakes sometimes. Okay, so 3 times from the back. This is right now. And then here we have the 3 from the front. Once. Twice. And 3 times. Okay, so that's done. And as you can see here, you can see the change here in the pattern. So here we have these ones on top now, and then on the left here, the ridges. I'm going to continue here with 2 more rows just to have the next structure of 3, and then I'll also give you an update. Okay guys, so here's my update for you. I actually made a little more. I'm here at 9 rows. And as you can see, the pattern now is emerging much more. They're much more clear. And yeah, I switched the pattern every 3 rows. And so we have, yeah, kind of the switching off pattern. Always, yeah, just switching off. And because of this, this doesn't roll up onto the sides. If you do no real pattern and you just do, you know, the one pattern all the way through, it will kind of roll up on the sides. Yeah, and so I'm going to continue working on this for a little bit longer, and then I'll give you an update when I'm done. Okay guys, so here I am almost at the very end of the wool. As you can see, the pattern here is really looking super nice. So we have these like packs of 3, every 3 rows, and they just kind of switch off, and then it's obviously just mirrored on the back side. And here we have a little bit of wool left, but it's actually not enough for another whole pack of 3 rows, you know. I don't want to do just 1 more row. So I'm gonna, finish off the scarf here. This is actually also really easy. You will start here at the side where you're not actually working on currently. So this is my left side that I was just working on, so I'm gonna start on the right. And so I'm gonna start here with the very right loop, and then I'll pull the second one through it. So that's now safe. I'll take the next one here on the left and pull it through the one on the right, and then that's also safe. And this is how I'll work all the way through to the other side. Okay, so really simple, really quick and easy. Until I am at the very last one. All right. So you can see my new seam here at the top. So that is all safe and secured. Now, we have obviously the thread still. We have this last loop. I'm gonna cut off the thread. And then here, I just kind of cut the loops apart on the top, just like this. And as you can see, it makes a lot of space here for the finishing off. So I'm gonna take that thread and pull it through the last loop, just so it's also secured. I'm gonna go ahead and hide the thread a little. What's really nice here with the really fluffy wool is that you cannot see this hidden thread at all. So I'm just kind of weaving it through the rest of the fabric, and it's really secure. And then my scarf is basically done. Obviously, I still have to do this also at the beginning. But other than that, my scarf is fully done. It's a really nice scarf. It's really cozy. Obviously, you can make this longer or wider depending. You just need another ball of yarn. This one's actually 1.40 m approximately. So yeah, if you wanted a longer scarf or wider scarf, just get another ball. I really hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time here at DIY Ideas. Bye guys!